Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be taking a look at the flexible gradient blue playing cards by TCC. This was released about a month ago as part of the TCC 10th anniversary sale on their website, along with several other cards like the pure blue. This deck is designed for cardistry or card flourishes. You will not use this deck for magic or card games. You will understand in a minute. The box design is simple. The box is a matte finish versus the glossy tuck box of the earlier flexible raids. It says flexible on the front. Designed by TCC playing cards on the sides. On the bottom has the TCC logo and the TCC website. Back design is the back design of the cards. Right out of the box, you see patterns on the sides. This creates a nice band when you do a fan. These are the two jokers. The colors on the ace corresponds to the colors of the pips. The blacks are this nice purplish navy color. The reds are this cool teal color. The deck comes with 52 cards and 2 jokers. There are no add cards. Now for the backs. The backs are clean, straight lines with 2 triangles. But here's the kicker. Hence the name Gradient Blue. Your cuts and packets will have different colors. But I imagine you will lose this gradient color change as you mix up the cards. The cards feel nice and soft right out of the box. They feel softer than standard bicycles. They furrow easily from the back. Again, I don't know if this is called traditionally cut or otherwise. It's the same stock as the pure blue. They are printed in Taiwan. I'm not sure which company. And this is what it looks like after the deck is no longer in new deck order. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe if you find this video useful, and check out the other videos on the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.